What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, we are out in the beautiful state of Arizona. Right here, we've got the SRT truck pulling a trailer.
Right about now, you guys are probably wondering, how on earth did we get to Arizona? Well, we left a few weeks ago, heading out from Atlanta all the way over to Arizona in order to pick up this truck that we are in right here. This is a 2005 SRT10 Viper V10 truck with a manual transmission. This thing is so much fun. And behind us, we've got our new Futura trailer that we picked up from Classic Car Addict. In this video, we're going all the way out to Phoenix, Arizona to meet up with Hutch, who owns Classic Car Addict, tour his facility, pick up this truck, and explore Arizona a little bit. Over the next few uploads, you guys are gonna see a bunch of stuff from us going all through Vegas, Arizona, Utah, Colorado, Oklahoma, Dallas. We have so much crazy content coming up. You guys have got to make sure you subscribe with notifications on. We're giving away not only this truck and a Corvette right now at it'sjust6.com, but for everybody that follows Hutch on Instagram at Classic Car Addict, in the next 24 hours, we're going to be drawing a winner to win a brand new Xbox Series X, just because. So make sure you guys go support him. He helped us out a ton with this truck, this trailer. Both of these are hard to get your hands on, and he definitely helped make it happen. We have a lot of plans to work together with future giveaways too, so make sure you guys go follow him. And with that being said, let's hop into today's video.
Thank you again for setting us up with that truck, dude.
Absolutely.
That is
absolutely
so cool. This is really, really cool.
As you can tell, I'm a Camaro guy, so it's like 2002 all over again.
Where are the turbos even at? They're down low on this?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. That's how my GT350s are in the trailer.
It's the only serialized Richard Petty Camaro ever done.
That's cool.
That's Z28.
That's honestly, like, the ZL1s are cool, but I swear to you, that really right there, that's something that I would do a lot for one day.
It is the core. The Grand National?
No way.
Yep.
Oh my God, yeah,
No,
dude.
it's upgraded a little bit. 11.5-second core now.
Damn. Okay, he has some seriously cool stuff in there, man. What? Paperwork, signed, money paid. We are officially ready to take this thing out and go see what it's like. So pumped, dude. This is going to be the very first drive that I have ever been on in a Ram SRT10 truck. This is freaking awesome. First, we're going to probably leave the trailer back here and unhook it. I cannot even believe that this is real life, dude. This is the nicest single car hauler I have ever even seen, and this is our new trailer for the channel, man. This is what we're going to be going to drift events, drag events, and all kinds of stuff this year. That thing is going to be for longer road trips, but we'll be able to leave it at home for the most part.
He's like, here's the key to the truck, and there was that many key fobs on it, and I was like, what is going on here?
Alarm system.
I thought that was a vape.
So you also are a dealer for Futura trailers as well, right?
Yes.
So you sell all of these as well.
Yep.
So if you guys weren't only looking to buy a crazy rare, extremely nice vehicle that is pretty much in top-notch shape, then you can come to him and buy a freaking brand new trailer as well. These trailers are so cool too. Like you were saying, these are definitely different than your typical single car hauler in the fact that this is the lowest possible trailer on the market. Like literally, we could load the freaking McLaren up here without even lifting the lift. We could just drive straight onto it and then lift the whole platform. I seriously appreciate you so much for helping us get this set up, man. Well, I guess let's go ahead, get this thing fired up and take it out for the very first drive. Dude, this is so wild though. You have a key. I can't turn it on to starter it. You just have a key and then you got to push button it. Oh, what's funny, which I guess obviously, but it sounds just like the Viper on a startup. As good as it sounds already from factory, we really got to get that a little bit louder. As with everything that we do, that's just a little too mild. New exhaust, a little bit of boost pressure coming in from the inlet side, you know, and then after that, this thing's gonna be a freaking riot. I was not expecting the electric bed cover, and I really was not expecting this thing to look so cool with the hitch on it and a trailer attached behind it, man. This truck is gonna go everywhere. All right, they're gonna ride with Mr. Hutch. We gotta get some fuel because this baby is, it's pegged out right now. Oh my gosh. Dude, a manual truck again. So guys, this is kind of cool, but the first vehicle I ever learned how to drive stick shift on was a 2003 GMC Sierra single cab with a stick shift. So naturally, I've always had such a soft spot for manual trucks, especially in single cab configuration. Everything feels good on it so far. Clutch is surprisingly easy to actuate. It feels like we're in a car. It's got a Tremec trans in it, just like how the Vipers do and the Camaros and everything.
Dang, little snap, crackle, pop.
Dude, I actually like this a lot. Do you understand that there are 8 liters of engine
in front of us right now? 8 liters?
Yep.
8 though, like 8. The first gas station fill up in the SRT. One of many, many, many more to come for this trip. Oh my gosh, dude, another weird thing about the West. Okay. Why would that? Okay. There's no, dude, stop. It's just spilling everywhere. There is no 93 octane. Instead, there is just 91 octane. Kind of sucks though, I don't understand that. Somebody comment down below, tell me, why is there only 91 here and not 93? I wonder how much fuel this thing's gonna take. I'm gonna guess it takes 14 gallons, 15 gallons. Well, no, it's a truck, dude. It might take more. While I'm waiting on it to fill up, what are we gonna do with this truck, guys? Should we lower this, put new wheels on it, supercharge it, cam it, do an exhaust wrap, or should we go a different route? That's all I had in mind for it. And I say all, but that's a lot of stuff, dude. Probably be transformed into like one of the most badass trucks that we've seen. Yeah, definitely more gas than I thought, dude. 20 gallons in here? It was completely empty, so we're about to find out how much it is to actually fill up a truck like this. I don't know. Okay, this is a lot more than what I thought. Wow. I'm even more curious of how bad the gas mileage is going to be pulling a car and a trailer with a V10 gas truck too. There's no way it's still going. Okay, I thought that we spilled for a second. I was like, what? Moment of truth. Let's see how much it is to fill this thing up. There you go, 26 gallons of gas. We probably had literally 0.03 gallons left until we ran out. It was so empty. Right at $104 to fill this truck up from empty to full. And we're gonna stop a whole lot of times on the way too. This could get super expensive for sure. I really didn't know. What? This thing being that it's a manual V10, you can really just like ever so slightly dump the clutch and this thing just lights the tires up. The craziest thing is that this truck is still stock. I wonder if it will just bark the tires, just gas. Ooh! Dang, she sounds good too. Oh, it sounds so cool. Dude, NA power like that is just so different from boosted horsepower. You're not waiting on lag, you just hit it and you're just in power. Oh, bro, this is so sick. Oh, yeah. Actually having the chance to drive one of these trucks gives me a whole different respect for them.
It definitely throws you back. It's no slouch.
Torque.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. This one might have to come with a cash option. I don't know. But it is so super fun, dude. The H pattern in a truck is so cool. And it actually being fast is like just, I don't know. This thing has got to have an aftermarket clutch in it, dude. This thing, I bet, can handle some power. All right, guys, we're gonna go run inside here, grab some food, and we will be right back. You know, I figured being stuck in traffic and stop and go would just be miserable in a manual truck, but it's really not bad. Plain little S197, I see you. Oh, drag pack, love the build, sir. Love the build, vented fender, sir. Love it, sir. Despite the miles, this truck is actually in really, really good shape. It doesn't need much of anything aside from probably just plugs, maybe an oil change. And lastly, the main thing that I'm noticing is that it just needs mufflers, man. Big transformation coming very soon. I wanted to show Poe the truck real quick and get his thoughts on it. It's like seriously such a unique experience. Key all the way on, yep, and then button.
Solid.
Yeah,
it starts right up.
It does.
All right, do we go?
Yeah, let's get it. So easy to drive.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
Bro, it's got torque for days.
Yeah, watch.
Right.
I just hit it real quick.
Whoa.
Hit it again.
Whoa.
Right? It's
at
such a strange amount of torque.
1500 RPMs.
Give it watt right here real fast. Like almost wheelies the truck. Almost like it's just like how?
What is that? I guess it's a Viper engine in a single cab truck is what it is.
Exactly.
That's crazy.
8 liters of displacement with a 6-shift is what that is. I never thought we were going to be mobbing in a Viper truck in Arizona.
In a Viper truck in Arizona.
Let's go. What is this? Yeah, get it a little bit. Right? That's the reaction to driving.
Oh my gosh. Like, obviously they're cool, 100%, don't get me wrong. But like, driving it is definitely way different than I expected.
Yeah, you feel the clutch?
Yep. Wanted to
A
grab.
little bit of twin disc action.
Yeah.
It's a
Solid
really cool truck. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's
Really
so
is. The
beautiful.
oil temp gauge over there. It really is awesome. It's like a time capsule. It's very clean in here. It's number 9. I forget that.
The 9th.
The 9th Viper truck ever produced, dude. Did you know that? This was Viper truck number 9.
9.
Like the 9th Viper ever produced in truck form.
Feels like you're driving an NA diesel.
Actually, yes! That's actually exactly what it feels like. You nailed that,
Got
yeah.
power, but it doesn't have that on top.
Yeah,
like,
but that's
it's
what we gotta
it's
add.
Like,
Yeah.
puts you in your seat and like just wants to go.
If this truck was like a twin turbo truck, it would be just so fun. It would just be so fun. So the remote controls and lifts the entire platform of the trailer, but also the winch that comes with it, which is actually Futura branded too. That's awesome. That's a really nice setup, man. I have really never seen a trailer this well set up from factory. This is incredible.
Cars so easily.
Yeah.
Instead of having to bring that big old thing.
Yeah, dude. You guys really need to hit this man up. It's gonna be cool to see how the Ram truck does towing this thing too. Hopefully it's not too much weight with the car on it for the Ram, but I think being that it is a V10, it should be okay. Anyways, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the new Ram truck, the new trailer. Don't forget, grab entries in to win this truck or our Corvette. And with that being said, guys, I will see you next upload.
I know I ain't bad, but I ain't at my greatest. I took it there, all I took here was patience. They say I lost it, I simply just traded some fake friends for a crib and a skated. Traded a wifey for bitches I dated. Don't be up.